If you're into discovering new AI coding platforms that have the latest features with the best integrations, then you may want to check out Qodo and Cursor AI. These two are top players in the game. Today I'm going to put them head to head and compare their features, their benefits, and see which one is the better option for you. So let's check them out. Let's have a look at Qodo now. So Qodo actually revolutionizes development with automated code reviews and AI analysis. It seamlessly integrates with popular IDEs. It also supports multiple programming languages for both team and individual developers. You can see over here that it identifies potential issues before they actually reach production with intelligent scanning as well as error prediction. So it happens before you make errors. It also offers real-time recommendations to optimize and refactor code for better performance as well as readability. And it also generates clear, comprehensive documentation automatically to improve your team collaboration. The last thing that we're going to have a look at over here is their privacy-first approach. That is big. So they maintain strict data retention policies with two-way encryption to protect sensitive data. It also includes chat functionality for quick code explanations and also documentation generation. You can also reduce debugging time while increasing test coverage and your overall code integrity. If you are looking for a fantastic piece of software, Qodo is definitely in the top of my list. Okay, so looking at Cursor now, you can actually supercharge your coding workflow. Cursor AI is quite a powerful tool. It aims to transform your coding experience in a whole. It offers a wide range of intelligent features that are actually designed to boost your productivity and enhance your code quality. At the core of Cursor AI, it actually has the ability to integrate seamlessly within a familiar coding environment. This also allows you as a developer to access advanced tools as well as functionality without disrupting your already established workflows. It also leverages the power of AI and provides intelligent code completion, smart code improvement suggestions, and other more advanced capabilities. These features, of course, work together to help develop a cleaner, more efficient code. Ultimately, it will streamline your coding process and your output will be of better quality. So whether you are an experienced programmer or you are just starting out your coding journey, Cursor AI does have the potential to elevate those coding skills and accelerate your project delivery. It's got a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge technology. It is poised to become an invaluable asset in your coding toolkit. So ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, there is a ton of options out there. There really are. And to really go and dig deep and find out which one works for you is the best advice that I can give you. Go ahead, try them, put them to real use and see what actually works. Now, if this really was helpful, you can drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.